readers and writers, who's ready to get started with our warm up? We are. Okay, repeat after us. A apple A safe A. E ed E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. Fantastic. I like that I can hear some of you repeating. And now we're going to do some more sounds with our standard cards. Let's pick all the ones that I know we need to practice a little bit more. And here we go. A apple A safe A. D E add E P E. I itch I pine I. J O octopus O home O. Q qua. Buddy letter. Hey, Echo and I are buddies. U up U mule U rule oo. CH like my chin. TH, bite that tongue. And what's the noisy sound for TH? UNG long ung. And we're back to the beginning. Fantastic job. And what do you say? I want to challenge you to some trick words. So here's how it works. We see who can say them first. Here we go. Why, by, my, try, put, to, very, also, some, come, would, could, should, her, over, number, say, says, between, each. Fantastic job, everybody. And did you know who it really was under here? Of course, it's me, Mrs. Holbrook, and it's so good to see you. You did a great warm up. And today I have a word of the day for you. Let's check it out. As I put the sounds up, you should be starting to say them and reading the sounds. Notice we're starting out with a blend. Then I'm going to add a vowel, consonant, E. Let me move them over a little bit. We have our blend, vowel, consonant, E. Let's tap this word out together and see what we have. Swipe. Swipe. What does it mean to swipe? What does this word mean? Oh yeah, like a credit card. You could swipe your credit card to pay. Maybe in a sport, you swipe. Maybe in hockey, do you kind of like swipe the puck away from somebody else? Swipe. How would we mark up this word, swipe? Let's see. If I put it on this board right here, swipe. Can you tell me what I need to do to mark it? Okay, I would scoop the syllable. It's a one syllable word, one breath. And what kind of syllable is it? Vowel, consonant, E. That E is silent, and the vowel gets a macron over it. It makes its long sound. It says its name. Swipe. And let's also mark our blend. Okay? Swipe. We're going to add this into our student notebooks in the vocabulary section. So go ahead and find your notebook and then find the parts that say vocabulary and find the letter S because swipe, our word of the day, begins with S. Okay. Let's go ahead and enter swipe into the notebook. Write it neatly, staying in the lines, and mark it just the way I did on my board. Swipe. Pause on the screen until you finish that. And now we need a sentence. How about you can swipe the credit card? You can swipe the credit card. Okay, I'll put that sentence up. I started with an uppercase. I ended with a period, and I tapped out my words. Pause on the screen to get all of this in. Okay, if you're back, let's scoop the sentence and read it smoothly. You can swipe the credit card. You can swipe the credit card. Why do we scoop sentences? So that we read them smoothly. We don't want to read one word at a time. We want to put the words into 3 to 4 word chunks, just like the way that we talk. Okay, my friends, once you finished that, you can put it away. And I want you to get out your Velcro boards with your letters so that we can do some echo find sounds and build words. Okay. We'll start with echo find sounds. So if it's a vowel consonant E, we have to build it. You'll pull it down on your Velcro board, but otherwise we can just point to it. Alrighty. After me, ink. Point to the sound that says ink. What are the letters? A-N-K. Repeat after me. Z. Point to the letters that say Z. What are the 2 letters? S and Z. Repeat after me. Sh. Point to the letters that say sh. What are the letters? S-H. Okay. Build the letters that say E. Build it by bringing it down on your board. And you will need to use those blank cards. Watch how I do it. It's E, the blank one for consonant, and then, well, you know what? I'm going to put the blank one here. Vowel, consonant, E. Okay? And if you were to be writing it on paper, we would write V-E, but this is how we build it. It's a vowel. Well, it's the E. For long E, it'd be E, consonant E. So this is like an E. We don't have 2 E's, so we use the blank one. Okay, spell it away. Let's do another one like that. A. Can you make the long A sound? Okay, now we can do A, consonant, E. The E was just tricky because we needed the E at the end and the E here. Okay, spell it away. A, consonant, E. Alrighty, let's build some words. Repeat after me. Kite. Go ahead and build kite. Let's tap it. K-I-T. Build it on your board. And if you're wondering if the K sound is a CK or a CK, remember it can't be CK because that's only at the end. It's a K because when an I comes after it, it's usually a K. Check yours to mine. How'd you do? Does it say kite? Okay, great. Let's spell it away. K I T E. And you should spell it away too. Make sure you put your little pieces back at the right spots on your board to keep it neat and organized. Okay, repeat after me. Trade. Do you want to trade snacks? Trade. We have a blend. A, d. Make sure you get that blend. Trade. Go ahead and build it. You should have a blend and a vowel consonant E. Take your time. Can everyone point to the blend? Pretend to underline it. Good. And now point to your vowel consonant E. Trade. Trade. Let's spell it away. T R A D E. Trade. Okay, let's try another word. Repeat after me. Fire. Wait a second. Did somebody say fire? Let me get my fire hat on. Okay, let's tap out fire. I-er. Build fire. I-er. I-er. Okay, how does mine look? I-er. What do you mean something's missing? Oh, what's going to make the I say I? That's right. I need my E at the end. Ta-da! Fire. Okay, let's spell it away. Say the letter names as you put it back on the board. F-I-R-E. Let's build one more word. Repeat after me. Prize. Do you want a prize? Prize. Tap it. I-Z. Build it. Get that beginning blend. Prize. Like pretty and prance. I-Z. And then what makes the I say I? Take your time. Pause if you want to do it all by yourself. And then check it with mine. Let's point to our blend. Let's point to our vowel consonant E. Eyes. Prize. Great job. Let's spell it away. P-R-I-Z-E. Prize. Okay, your Velcro board or magnet board should be all neat now. And we are just going to end by writing a sentence. You can do it on your whiteboard or on your paper, whatever you prefer. Okay, so pause to get those materials. And here is our one sentence to end on for today. Beth likes her pink and white pants. Okay, let's count the words. Beth likes her pink and white pants. We have 7 words. Okay, here's our 7 words. Don't forget to start with an uppercase and end with a period. There's our sentence frame. Beth likes, you can tap out. Her is a trick word. Beth likes her pink, you can tap out. And is a trick word. White you can tap out, and pants you can tap out. And let's put our period at the end. So pause here to work on the sentence. Okay, if you're back, I want you to check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a period. Next, I want you to check your trick words. Her and. Okay, now tap out all of your tappable words. The first one, B-E. Make sure it says Beth. The next one was likes. What's the base word? Like. And then we make it say likes. We add the S. Beth likes her pink. P-ink. I hear a glued sound. I hear ink. Beth likes her pink and white. It's a digraph. And then it's a vowel consonant E. And our last word was dress. There's a blend at the beginning. Der-S. Oh, and look, we need a bonus S because it comes at the end of a word right after the short vowel. Okay, read it with me. Beth likes her pink and white dress. Read it smoothly, make sure it looks perfect, and when you're done, you can erase or put your paper away. Great job!